my friends, it's Miss Kate, and today we are going to be making sensory jars. I have a sensory jar right here that's already been made, and you will see that there is some glitter inside as well as some beads and water. And when you move the jar back and forth, you'll notice that the glitter and the beads move with it. This jar can help you calm down and make yourself feel better, and so we are going to be making our very own sensory jar so you can have one at home. Now for this activity, you are going to need some water, a jar, and here I have an empty dinosaur container to use, some glitter, beads, and optionally, I'm just going to add some food coloring too. So let's get started. To start, I'm just going to pour in all of the beads that I hand-picked to put in my sensory jar. Now get creative because you can choose whatever colors and whatever types of beads you would like to use. So I'm just going to put all of these beads inside my jar. See if I can pour them. My friends, and you'll notice there are not too many. They all kind of fit in the head right here. And that's because I really want to be able to see all of my beads, but you can use as many beads as you would like. Next, I'm going to put in some glitter. And I think I want some purple glitter and some blue glitter. So I'm going to dump some purple glitter inside. And don't worry about making a mess because we can always clean it up later. I have some purple glitter. Let's use a little bit more. And I'm also going to use some blue glitter right here. And you can decide what colors you want to put in your sensory jar. If you want all the colors of glitter, all the colors of the rainbow, you can do that. You can choose just one color if you'd rather do that, whatever you wish. Now next, I'm going to put just one little squeeze of food coloring. So one little drop, and that's enough. And now I'm going to add my water. So you want to be very careful when you're doing this so that you don't accidentally spill it everywhere. So I'm going to add some water. And my friends, I want you to notice how different everything looks once water is inside. I see that the glitter is mixing and the beads haven't moved really, but the water is also a little purple from the food coloring. And I'm going to fill it almost all the way, but not quite all the way. And then I'm going to make sure to screw on my cap very, very tightly. That way it doesn't spill at all. And I'm even going to use my spoon to help me. Twist it really tight. And then, my friends, you need to shake, shake, shake to make sure all the glitter gets everywhere. And my friends, there you have your very own sensory jar. You can look inside and see all the types of glitter that you used and all of the beads, and you can watch them float from one side to the other, and you can watch the water move around. You can see the air bubble move from one end of the dinosaur to the other, or from one end of your jar to the other. And as time goes on and the more you shake it, the more the glitter will get combined into the water, and you will be able to use this sensory jar whenever you are feeling not so great, or if you just need to help calm your body and focus on something pretty to look at, you will have this to do that with. So my friends, I hope you enjoyed that activity, and I hope you are able to make your own sensory jar at home. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.